Hi, this is David Ruben. In this video, I'm going to explain to you what you should do if you're in a car accident. Number one, if you're in a car accident, you want to get yourself to a safe place. Obviously, if you're injured, you want to get the treatment that you need. That's more important than anything. You want to take care of yourself. You want to get your car to a safe place. That's when you can focus on doing all the right things in the event that you're going to have an auto accident claim. So, number one, always, more so than anything else, is safety. But what do you do after you are in a safe place? What are the best things to do? Well, you want to call the police immediately, or if the other driver, if somebody else has called the police, that's what you want to do. It doesn't matter whether it's a massive car accident or whether it's a slight fender bender. It doesn't matter where you are. You want to call the police. You want to get them out there so that there's a witness right away who you can talk to and explain to what happened, so they can talk to the other driver, so they can talk to the witnesses before they leave the scene, so they can observe the cars and where the cars are and what damage there is to cars, and really so they can control the scene. That's what they're there for. So what should you do after you call the police? You simply wait for the police to come. When the police get there, you want to be as cooperative as possible. Obviously, under the law, you're going to have to exchange information, so you're going to want to ask a lot of questions, who the other driver was. You want to get their insurance information. And even though the police officer is getting that information, you want to get it too, because you're going to want to give that information to the insurance company, to a lawyer like me, as quickly as possible. So you want to gather up as much information as you can. So you want to get insurance information, you want to get name, you want to get address, you want to get type of car, you want to get color of car, you want to get as much information as you possibly can. And you just put that on a piece of paper, store it in your phone, and you've got it. You're then going to answer questions from the police officer. Police officer is going to say, were you injured? And this is a really important thing to think about when you're in a car accident. Our first reaction when we're in a car accident is to take care of ourselves, but we're in shock. We don't always know whether we're injured or not. When you first speak with the other driver, when you first speak with a police officer, even if you think you're not injured, at least what you want to say is, I don't know whether I'm injured or not. I feel weird, I'm in shock. I might feel fine right now, but I don't know whether I'm injured or not. Because believe me, if you say at the scene, I'm not injured, the insurance company is going to hold that against you down the line. They're going to say, well, you said you weren't injured at the scene, so here you are at the doctor the next day or the next week. You must not really have been injured. And even though that's not true, that's what they're going to try to use against you. So when you're in an accident, the police officer comes, whether you're injured or not, you don't want to lie. If you're not injured, you don't feel anything, say, I don't feel anything right now. I don't know how I feel. Obviously, if you are injured, don't be a tough guy and say, no, I'm fine, I'm going to get over it, I don't need to go to the hospital or anything like that. If you feel any kind of pain, if you think you're going to feel any kind of pain, you get in that ambulance, you go to the hospital, and you let them take care of you. That's the best thing to do. It's the best thing to do, obviously, primarily for your health, because you never know really what happened in that car accident until you can be checked out. And further, it's the best thing to do in the event that you're going to have a case against the insurance company down the road. It's better for you to have gone to the hospital and gotten checked out and told them what your symptoms are and be x-rayed and be taken care of. And after that, what do? Well, you go to the hospital, you might have to stay the night, you might have to go home, or you might go home after the hospital. What do you want to do? You want to call a lawyer, okay? You want to call a lawyer. Why do you want to call a lawyer? You want to call a lawyer because you want to find out the right way for you to deal with the insurance company. Lawyers like me, for car accidents, don't charge you anything unless we recover money. So the phone call doesn't cost you any money. The in-office consultation doesn't cost you money. We're not going to send you a bill one way or the other. If you hire us as your lawyer, way down the road, you're going to pay us a portion of what you might recover. And we'll talk to you about that on the phone or in the office and explain everything to you. But please don't be afraid to call a lawyer because you think it's going to cost you money. It's not. Whether it's me or really any other personal injury lawyer, we're not going to cost you money to call. So call the lawyer, and if you're comfortable with us, we'll take care of you. If you call me, I'm going to call you right away. I'm going to call you back right away, and I'm going to take it from there. And then the only thing you need to do is you need to get better. So you're going to give me your information. I'm going to get the insurance company information. I'm going to take care of the property damage. I'm going to take care of your personal injury claim. I'm going to send you to a doctor if you don't already have one. I'm going to answer all your questions and do all the paperwork. That's what the lawyer does. We literally do everything for you so that you can focus on getting better. So to summarize what to do when you're in a car accident, get to a safe place, call the police, get the information from the other driver, Talk to the police officer, talk to witnesses. If you are injured, let them know you're injured. If you're not injured, say, I don't know whether I'm injured or not because I might be injured later. Go to the hospital if you're feeling any kind of pain, and then call a lawyer to have that lawyer take the case for you. We don't charge anything unless we recover for you. If you are injured in an accident, call me. Call me on my cell phone, 443-253-7713. Text me if you're more comfortable texting me, same phone number. If you'd rather call my office, 410-766-4044. If you want to email me, david@rubenlaw.com. I pride myself in being one of the most accessible lawyers in the state of Maryland. Call me now. I will answer the phone. I will take care of this for you.